Hello, good morning to all. Good morning to all my viewers. Those are coming first time in my channel. Actually, though I create a channel for you, though I am going to create a first time channel for you. Actually, in this channel, I must give some guidance to you. Actually, what you can do or not. My dear friends, I have seen too many students. They have knowledge. They are so talented, but they don't know actually how can they speak well in English. They don't know actually how can they learn this language. They must do their effort. They must do so much effort for this thing, but they don't get actually what they can do at last. My dear friends, though I create a channel for you, actually my motive is that I must teach you, I must guide you. Whatever I have knowledge, I must try to guide you. But I must request to you, though I create a channel for you, actually either you like or subscribe, that is not matter for me. What is my goal? What is my aim? Actually I must fulfill that through this video, because you are my important viewers. If I give some guidance to you through my video, actually what I get from universe, actually that is enough for me. I don't want anything else from you and from universe. What is my goal? What is my target? Just I want to achieve this thing. That's why I create this channel. I must give so many ideas actually what you can do for learning this language. You know, actually many of us think that this language is very difficult language, but I must guide you. Actually, difficult is nothing else. Impossible is nothing. Nothing is impossible for anybody else, for any kind of people. But you don't try to analyze these things. Actually, what is your weakness and what is your strong point? You just analyze. You just analyze, think more about this point. Actually, you have power. You can do anything else according to you, but you don't try to your level best. That's why you are getting failure at any way. And when you get failure, and in the next time, you don't try to do better for you. So this is the weak point for you. Though I create a channel for you, actually I must regularly upload a video for you, actually what you can do or not. If you are so interested, if you are so passionate for learning this language, you just connect with me. When I can upload a video in related of English, in related of this language, actually you just watch. Either you like or subscribe, that is not matter for me. Because I don't want such type of things from you. Either you may be like, either you may be subscribe. It's depend on you. I want to know that whatever I can upload a content in a related of English. If you like this thing, if you like my video, actually that is enough for me. I don't want any views from you. Because my motive is that I must teach you, I must guide you. If you utilize this knowledge for you, actually that is enough for me. Because universe tell to me, don't keep any hope for anything else. My dear friends, if you think that you can do anything else in your life according to you, actually you can do that. But you don't try to your level best. You just try to continue that up to get success. You know, actually failure is the key of success. Once you get failure means you think that is the end for you. But what you think that is wrong for you. You got failure means you just, what is your success point? You just start from that failure. If you think in this way, in this regard, after you must get success, you must get achievement in your life in one day. Nobody can imagine, and you can also imagine that when you get success in life. So this is the tips for you. Though I create first time channel for you, actually I don't discuss anything else. Just it is my introduction. If you come first time in my channel, if you like this video, actually you may be like or subscribe channel to get such type of guidance for me. So that's all for me. My dear friends, this is the tips for you, because when I can upload in the next time, I must one by one discuss about this point, actually what you can do or not. So thank you all.